Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a pen as a fidget toy. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have one example of a pen, and I'm going to show you how to use a pen like this or even a different style of pen as a fidget toy. It is really easy to do. So first and foremost, if you have a pen like this that has like a clicking on and off, you can use it really easily as a fidget toy by simply clicking it on and off. So I'm just going to hold it like this, and I'm going to click it on and off. As you can see, I'm basically opening and closing the pen using the little clicking mechanism at the top. That is probably one of the easiest and most common ways that you can fidget with a pen and just sort of use it as a fidget toy. Really easy to do. The next thing that I want to talk about is if you have a pen with a cap on it. So maybe you don't have a clicking style pen. Maybe you have a pen with a cap on it. If you have a pen with a cap on it, you can basically remove the cap and put the cap on. Just remove the cap and put it back on over and over again. And it's something that is so simple. The thing is, you have to kind of be looking at the pen, because if you're not looking at it, you might end up missing a few times and you're going to get pen marks on your fingers, which is probably totally okay. It's not really an issue at all, to be honest with you. But, you know, it's something that involves a little bit more visual focus. But yeah, you can remove the cap and put the cap on over and over again. One that I didn't think of before the video, but I just thought of now with regards to a pen with a cap is you can also take, you know, the caps have like a little extra piece. So like there's the cap and there's a little extra, like almost like a little extra line on them. You can take that little extra piece and you can sort of pull it back and release it. So it's like bing, bing, you know, you can pull it back and release it. Bing, bing, it's going to be hitting the pen. So you can sort of, you know, almost like not flick, I guess. You're flicking that extra piece against the pen. So pull back that extra piece and release it. I think you know what I'm talking about. But then when you do that, you run the risk that eventually that extra piece might break off because you're going to be weakening it every time you pull it. So keep that in mind, okay? That it's only going to last so long and then it's probably going to break off. All right, now that I went over those examples, the other examples are a little bit different. So I'll explain them right now. The next example is you can take the pen and you can literally tap it against something, okay? So you can tap it against a desk, you can tap it against, I'm in my van, so I can tap it against the steering wheel, right? I can tap it against my own hand. Whatever the case is, you can tap it against anything really. But taking the pen and tapping it is another version of turning it into a fidget toy. The other thing you can do that's a little bit less intrusive, or a little bit less intrusive to like everyone around you, I should say, is you can tap the pen. So you can literally take your fingers and just tap the pen. And it's a little bit less intrusive to everyone around you because it's a little bit quieter, okay? Just like that. So tap the pen as, you know, many times as you want, as softly or hardly as you want, you know, to whatever rhythm you want, you know, whatever pressure you want, whatever tempo you want, tap the pen. Really easy. The last one that I want to outline is one that is silent, because all of those other ones make a good amount of noise, between a little bit of noise and a decent amount of noise, but this one is silent. And the last one that I want to talk about is taking the pen and literally just rolling it in between your fingers. This is virtually silent. It is so quiet. It is really easy to do. It is so not intrusive to those around you, because you can roll it like this, which is pretty obvious, or you could just roll it like this. And almost no one, if you're just doing that, almost no one will know that you're rolling the pen between your fingers unless they're looking at you, right? Unless they're really staring at you. But you can have your pen on the desk and you can just quietly and calmly just roll it a little bit between your fingers. And that's another way to fidget with a pen and turn a pen into a fidget toy. It is actually that easy. Those are the methods. I've gone over them. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.